everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make this simple, dairy-free, low-fat panna cotta with almond milk. Traditional panna cotta is an Italian dessert that's made with heavy cream, making it very rich and creamy tasting. However, you probably have guessed it. Cream is very high in fat and calories, containing about 800 calories and 90 grams of fat in each cup. For those who are on a diet, this number will seem enormous. So why not try a substitute? Almond milk is a great option because it is a lot lower in calories and it provides a good source of vitamin E, D, and calcium. In fact, one serving of this recipe contains only 50 calories. Interested? Then let's get started! The ingredients you'll need are 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons of hot water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a tablespoon or half a pouch of gelatin powder, and 1 teaspoon of pure almond extract. If you wish to decorate with toppings, you can also add 5 grams of dried cranberries, 5 grams of almond slices, and 5 grams of granola. I chose these toppings only because I had them at home already, but you can use anything that you like in your own desired amount, from fresh fruits to fruit purees to even some whipped cream if you really want that rich texture. Just note, however, that different toppings will change the overall caloric content of this recipe. But at the end of the day, it is your dessert, so be creative! Moving on, the first thing you'll have to do is dissolve the gelatin powder in the hot water. Make sure that the water is hot because the gelatin will solidify if the water cools down before it is ready for use. Next, turn to medium-high heat. In a small pot, pour in the almond milk, sugar, and almond extract. Stir occasionally until the mixture boils and becomes frothy. Turn the heat off and remove from the stove. Now, pour in the dissolved gelatin and stir until well incorporated. Pour the mixture into small jars, bowls, or ramekins according to your desired portion sizes. Let them cool down on the counter to room temperature and then cover the containers and place them in the fridge. Finally, it's time to decorate. Sprinkle on your toppings, or enjoy them plain. And the simple, calorie-friendly, dairy-free almond milk panna cotta is done. Perfect for a healthy snack or a light dessert. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe if you wish to see more healthy recipes like this. I promise more content will be coming your way really soon. Thank you so much for watching and happy eating!